Hello and welcome back to Joe Duffy Mini. My name is Aoife and today I'm going to be showing you this fabulous mini electric level 3 finished in grey. It has your white roof, yellow mirror caps, and it has your two-toned alloys, which also has a pop of yellow to match the mirror caps. A look at the side of the car and the rear. Black leather seats, which are really comfortable. You've also got your multifunctional steering wheel. You have your heads-up display, which raises up as you turn on the car. This shows your speed, navigation and warning lights. You've got your driver's side panel, fully automatic transmission, cup holders, infotainment system which has navigation. Also comes fully equipped with Apple CarPlay as well. The car has heated seats, climate controls here, 2 types of USB portals and a sunroof. You have 2 seats in the back which very comfortably fit 2 additional passengers and also have ISOFIX. So if you'd like to come in for a test drive on this car, please just give us a call. Thank you, bye bye.